Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Dog Bandanas. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. CHOIEO Dog Bandanas. These bandanas are made of high-quality cotton fabric, which is soft, breathable, easy to fold up, non-toxic and no harm to the skin. Bring your pets a comfortable wearing experience. Machine washable on cold, and lay flat to dry. If the bandanas need to be ironed, it need use low heat. Number 4. ZIRVYIR Dog Bandanas. Our dog bandanas are made of soft and durable dyed material, which keep your dogs feeling comfortable, lightweight and breathable, keeps your dog cooling during those hot summer days. This bandana for dog has a unique classic polka dots design, yet entirely unique, and never go out of style. Number 3. Remifa Dog Bandanas. Made of a durable dyed material, making it the ideal bandanas for dogs. Dual layer makes it long-lasting, not like other, low-quality bandana with one layer only. Our bandana sewing machine work line is neat and straight. Breathable material keeps your dog cool during those hot summer days. Machine wash and dry available. Number 2. Realeaf Holiday Dog Bandanas. Dual layer designed for added durability and not easy to be bitten by pets, which will outlast all of your dog's adventures. They are designed with American flag style. Cute, patriotic and fashionable. That will never go out of style. Great item for Memorial Day, Flag Day, 4th of July, Veterans Day. Number 1. Remy+Roo Dog Bandanas. Remy+Roo bandanas have a unique design with two long ends, making the dog bandana adjustable to the exact size of your pet's neck. The bandana has a curved design to mimic your dog's natural neckline. It is designed to fit comfortably while eliminating bulk, folds and excess fabric.